this section, we're going to learn how to add a paragraph with some bold text and underline, strike through, and a couple other items. So let's switch over to example.html, and we're going to add a new paragraph. So P tab, and then we're going to go to our browser, and we're going to add some flavor. We're going to go to bacon ipsum. We're going to do one paragraph. Let's make it spicy. All right, give me some bacon. All right, here is a bacon ipsum. It's just random words related to bacon, and it's just a text generator. All right, so we're going to come in here, and we're going to paste that in. Now, let's say we want to make bacon. We're going to make bacon bold. So the way we do that, we're going to go to our MDN docs, MDN web docs, references, HTML, HTML elements, and we're going to look at this first one here, B for bold. There's another way to go about this, and I want to show it to you. All this does is changes the format of a piece of text to make it bold. Okay. What it does not do is make screen readers emphasize the boldness of the bacon. So we're just gonna add an opening and closing tags, type in bacon in there, and delete the bacon that is outside of it. Now, great if you're just trying to make it bold, but it's not really that important. It's just a design idea. But we want to make the web accessible to all users, including those who use screen readers with visual impairments, right? So we want to make pork bold, but we want to also make screen readers be able to read it. So the way we do that is with something called strong. And so we'll go to strong, and we'll see that it has strong importance and urgency. And this is the way that you should, by default, bold things if it's just in text. Now, if you're just trying to make a header bold to make it like pop out more, use the B. But we're going to use strong. We're going to make some strong pork. So strong, and then we're going to put pork. This needs to be capitalized. Pork. All right. So we have strong pork and bold bacon. Big difference is pork is emphasized. Now let's look and see what the difference is visually on our website. Open up our live server. Now you can see bacon is bold here and pork is bold here. On our sheet, we also made some italic text. So let's do that here. So let's make this whole last sentence italic. And the way you do that, let's go to the MDM documentation, is with an I. Let's find the I for italic. There we go. I probably should have looked for it in alphabetical order instead of using the find. No worries. Okay, so what we can see here is I represents a range of text is set off from the normal text for some reason. And there is another way to do this, just like there is with bold. I is format only. And we're going to move the closing tag, cut this. Now, emphasis needs to be inside of the paragraph because it's part of the paragraph. You wouldn't have emphasis all by itself like this. It would live inside of a paragraph or a header or something else. It's a sub element. So this, like I was saying, does just formatting. We want to make screen readers be able to read it. And the way we do that is with emphasis. Emphasis does the same thing as italics, but adds screen reader capabilities to it. So we're going to use EM for this sentence. We're going to do a closing tag EM. You can see that it automatically closed out my emphasis. All right. You just learned how to add some flavor to your paragraph. One other thing is underline. I want you to go to the docs and figure out how to underline and also how to strike through. And then we're going to move on to the next section where we talk about ordered list and unordered list. See you there.